In the 47th verse of this, O children of Israel,
Yes, yes.
O children of Israel,
Ya Bani Israel, اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم.
and that I preferred you over the worlds.
Who are they? Children of Israel?
Children of Israel, right. After that, fear a day when no soul will suffice for another soul.
That's right, that's right.
After that,
I agree with that. Now, what are you trying to say here? When Moses was given the book,
while addressing the children of Israel regarding the book given to Moses, Allah said, so that you,
okay, so the children of Israel don't exist today. You?
children of Israel.
You're not from Israel.
No, I'm not Israeli.
Close it, close it.
I am not from the children of Israel. First of all, you're wrong that this you refers to you.
Children of Israel are present today.
Who are they?
I'll tell you, no, you are not one of them.
I am not.
You are not, right?
I am a follower of Muhammad, peace be upon him, not from the children of Israel. You said you means your people, but the Quran clearly says the address is to the children of Israel.
I know, that's why I said you. The children of Israel are present, right? You agree they exist in the world today. Look at me. Do they exist or not?
They certainly exist.
Not one of them.
I am not.
Right.
Right.
Ya Bani Israel, اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بعهدي أوفي بعهدكم وإياي فارهبون. Who is he saying this to? And believe in what I have sent down. I'll explain more soon.
Told to Israel.
Who are they? You don't know who the children of Israel are.
Right.
وآمنوا بما أنزلت مصدقا لما معكم ولا تكونوا أول كافر به. Who would be the first rejecter? The one with the book or the one who does not have the book?
The one who does not have the book.
He would be the first rejecter.
Yes.
Or will it be you?
Would record.
Because you have the book. وآمنوا بما أنزلت مصدقا لما معكم. And believe in what I have revealed.
Everyone should open up the Quran and look at the translation.
Yes, have a look.
Yes. Mr. Shaikh is translating it wrong here.
Well, look, you can open it and see for yourself.
Yes, here. Mr. Shaikh is translating it incorrectly.
Yes, go ahead and look. You see what they wrote?
Yes.
Give me any translation, anyone at all.
Which verse are you reading?
It starts from 40. Ya Bani Israil اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بعهدي أوفي بعهدكم وإياي فارهبون. Up to here, you said it addresses the children of Israel. Now I'm reading further. Now it says to the children of Israel, and believe in what I have revealed, confirming what is with you. With you what? With whom?
Two things are happening here.
Listen to me.
One is the Quran, one is,
The Quran is not being mentioned at all. God is saying, believe in what God is revealing.
look, you and I will not do my own translation, but what is in the book before me.
No, look, 1 second. If you know Arabic and I translate incorrectly, then correct me right there.
I am correcting you, but you are not accepting it.
Wait. I will do it word for word.
All right?
And really just believe.
Okay.
In what, because of what, or with what I have revealed.
No. So, bima here in this context actually means on it. Yes?
Okay, on it. I am revealing.
What I have already revealed,
Okay, it is past tense.
it is in the past.
Okay. Yes, I am confirming exactly what is currently with you right now.
This is confirming that which is with you. Which is with you. So, there are two things.
It is confirming what I have already revealed.
Yes.
So what has been revealed upon you. I am talking about you before coming today, before coming at this time today. Was it not revealed to you? Had you not studied all of this? Had you studied this or had you not studied it? Was it revealed to you? To those people who are present right now. You are present. I am present.
Right?
I'm in the present. The children of Israel are here now.
It is being said to the children of Israel.
Whoever the children of Israel. We want to see who the children of Israel are. Who are the children of Israel to whom God is saying that I am revealing? Confirming what is with you.
You're talking about your own thinking. It doesn't happen by your or my thinking.
Verse translation.
And believe in what I have revealed. Believe.
To whom is he saying? Believe, children of Israel.
To, O children of Israel. I will proceed with this address.
Yes, go on.
O children of Israel, believe in this book, which I have revealed.
Where is book written? Over there. Translate it correctly, man. Don't say book. It's not written there, you were telling me.
What should I say?
What is written and revealed?
What I have revealed.
What has been revealed?
Okay.
Exactly what was revealed to you.
What was revealed to me? What I have revealed.
What was revealed to you? What was revealed to him? What was revealed to me?
Revelation is only for the prophet of God.
No, please.
Revelation.
There is no such formula that revelation is only for a prophet.
Really? Well, you've told me something very new, brother. Please do give me this recording. Can revelation happen to someone other than a prophet?
I am telling you now, I'll tell you right now, at this very moment. The word book is not written. Book is not written there. قُولُوا آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ وَمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْنَا. Say, we believe in what was revealed towards us.
Revealed towards us, not revealed upon me.
We believe in God and what was revealed to us.
Salena's gone.
Alaina. Say, we believe in God and what has been revealed upon us is also there. Is it there or not in Ali Imran? So look, you can't play games with me. I'm a very smart man, understand? Elena is there and Elena is also there. And further it says, say we believe in God. And further at the end it says, قولوا آمنا بالله وما أنزل إلينا وما أنزل إلى إبراهيم وإسماعيل وإسحاق ويعقوب والأسباط وما أوتي موسى وعيسى وما أوتي النبيون من ربهم لا نفرق بين أحد منهم ونحن له مسلمون. To be called a Muslim, it must be revealed to us. Say it was revealed to us.
What? Say we believe in Allah and what has been revealed to us.
To us. I'm talking about revelation, brother. Revelation happens in every era. That's what makes you a Muslim. Otherwise, you're not a Muslim.
So will it still be revealed today?
Absolutely. It's essential.
Process for that?
Allah is explaining now. Forget that. Revelation is happening now. Read this verse. It's happening here.
But you are interpreting the verse according to your own desires.
I'll show you the revelation now.
I'm telling you these 5 translations say something else and you are translating it differently.
Okay, tell me what they translated. Read their translation, not yours.
Let's do theirs. And the book that
Did they write book?
Yes, they certainly did.
They wrote it?
Absolutely.
Is book in the Arabic?
They have written it.
Cross out and read on without translation.
Meaning, does this mean I should reject all the scholars in the world?
Look at someone else's. Anyone write book?
It says book here too.
You check, is book written on this one? So Muhammad Shaikh, I'll show you the translations. Not everyone is writing book as you think. I don't know whose translation you're citing that says book.
And believe in what I have revealed, confirming that which is with you. And the book that I revealed to my messenger.
Wait, 1 second. You know that book is not written in the Arabic. And messenger is not written there either. And you know Arabic better than I do. What kind of man are you, brother? What kind of person are you that you see with your own eyes and believe in what I have revealed, confirming that which is with you, and be not the first to disbelieve in it?
Should I form a concept like yours that revelation still happens to people today?
Hey, brother.
Will revelation come to me today if I sit in PEX? Will it start now?
Listen to me.
I have to follow someone or the other, right?
You should follow the Quran.
Tell me the reason why I should follow you.
Are you here to follow the Quran or someone?
No, why should I follow you?
Did I say to follow me?
Yes, you are. You are trying to convince me to leave all of them and understand for myself, to understand you.
Look, this is recorded. I said nothing like that.
Absolutely, I'll show you in the recording. You said to leave them all.
I said, look,
And that this is wrong.
I said no such thing. You said it's wrong. I said book is written there.
That is wrong.
You said it.
It is.
Is it written in Arabic?
It is not written in Arabic?
Then it is wrong.
Of course it is. Meaning you're right?
Arabic, Quran, Arabic.
Give me a verse from the Quran for that.
I did not say that.
That's exactly what you meant.
I said that in Arabic.
I'm telling you, I'm opening 5 commentaries and translations before you. I'm opening translation after translation and you're calling them wrong because that translation...
Look at this translation. Why isn't it in this one? Look here, look there. The word book isn't there. The one I have in my hand doesn't have book. What's this? You have 2 translations by Fateh Muhammad Jalandhari. This one is also by him. And this one too. Both are reading from the same translation. You've picked up Fateh Muhammad Jalandhari twice. That translation doesn't have it. This one by Abdullah Yusuf Ali doesn't say book. I can bring 50 more by Ashraf Ali where book isn't written. It's not necessary that what you think is book. I must be book just because it's written there.
No, book isn't needed.
Then why are you saying it?
But those who consider it a book...
We're not talking about them. Do you consider it a book?
Yes, I do.
Okay, fine.
I understand it as the Quran and believe in what I have revealed.
Is this being said to the children of Israel?
Yes, believe in the Quran to the children of Israel, confirming what is with you, which is confirming your Torah. Now, I will prove this translation from 100 commentaries and 100 translations. You have to prove from this that no, it's wrong. That's your job, your responsibility. The meaning I understand, let's leave out book. There's no book, fine. The word book is nowhere. And believe in what I have revealed, confirming what is with you. Let me finish my point.
Listen carefully. What our brother is actually saying.
By anzaltu, it means the Quran.
Did you hear? By anzaltu, it means the Quran.
It's the Quran. By confirming what is with you, it means the Jews' book.
Do you understand now? Okay, stop now. Stop right here. You've stated your position. So the meaning of anzaltu is Quran. And ma'akum means what is with the children of Israel in Hebrew, Aramaic, the old, is it the Bible?
Whichever book it is, whichever book it is.
Whatever book it is. Okay, that's what he said. These 2 things are not written here in the Quran. You must admit that. It's not written. And now I will also translate it. Now watch and believe and have faith. The children of Israel are addressed. Allah is saying to them, believe in what I have revealed, confirming what was revealed, which I revealed upon you. In that context, we need to identify who the children of Israel are.
It will be expanded later on.
Let's look at it here in the verse.
The command to establish prayer and give charity was for the Muslims of that time. And then it will be expanded for people until the day of judgment. First, you should identify those being addressed.
If they are living in Jerusalem, he is speaking to the Jews. Allah Almighty, listen to me. If you think he is speaking to the Jews,
right.
According to you, he is speaking to the Jews in Jerusalem, right? I am saying he is speaking to you. That is the difference. Look, brother, listen to me.
Yes, this.
Now let's see. We will keep looking at the verses ahead. Now see, it is written here. وَآمِنُوا بِمَا أَنزَلْتُ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا مَعَكُمْ وَلَا تَكُونُوا أَوَّلَ كَافِرٍ بِهِ وَلَا تَشْتَرُوا بِآيَاتِي ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا وَإِيَّايَ فَاتَّقُونِ.
Right.
Now, according to you, the meaning of this is, and I will also include your faith.
Right.
Yes, I believe in what I have sent down, which confirms what you have. That is, the Quran is being revealed and it confirms the Torah, right?
Right.
And further it says, and do not be the first to disbelieve.
And be not the first to disbelieve in it.
The first disbeliever.
Do not be the first rejectors of this Quran.
Right, the first. And do not exchange my verses for a small price and fear only me.
Do not become the first to reject this Quran.
Okay, the first rejector. And do not purchase my signs for a small price and only me you be guarded. Now listen, this was your translation. Now what did I translate? I said, believe in what I have revealed. What I have revealed confirms what is with you. Where you are reading from, what you have with you. I have the Quran and I am reading from here. And I am being told, and do not be the first to reject it. I am its first rejecter because I have the book. I have the Quran of God. I have the book. I will read it first. Jews will read it later. Christians will read it later. Hindus will read it later. Buddhists will read it later. I am reading first. I am becoming the first rejecter. So he is telling me first not to be the first rejecter and not to sell the verse for a small price because I have the verses. And only me you be guarded. I am being told to be guarded by me. And look further. وَلَا تَلْبِسُوا الْحَقَّ بِالْبَاطِلِ وَتَكْتُمُوا الْحَقَّ وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. Do not clothe the truth with falsehood, and you know the truth. You know it while you know it. Further it says, establish prayer, I establish prayer, and give zakat, I give zakat, and bow with those who bow, I do it.
So stop right here.
Wait a minute, just one last verse.
Yes.
Do you command other people to act with righteousness and goodness, yet you forget to apply these same principles to your own selves, even though you are the ones who recite the book and know its teachings? Then, will you not reflect and use your intelligence to understand this contradiction? To whom? I believe I am being addressed here.
You have understood? Okay, you are believing so? There must be some proof for this understanding of yours. Where have you taken this understanding from?
I am reading the verses. I can see it clearly from the verses.
You are saying that children of Israel means you and me. Is that what you mean?
Yes, exactly, you and I.
You and I? In support of what you have said, any one dictionary or one book or one lexicon.
The verse itself is proof of it.
A lexicon that what you have understood. Has any one person in the world understood this before you?
Friend, listen to me. Listen.
Answer this question.
Well, now you will stay quiet for 2 minutes. I will give you the answer. Sirat al-ladina an'amta alayhim. The path of those you have blessed. In the Quran, God says the path of those you have blessed. Now, as soon as I read this verse in Surah Al-Fatiha, the path of those you have blessed, I would want to see who these blessed people are. Okay? So first of all, in the Quran, God says, Ya Bani Israel askuru ni'mati allati an'amtu alaykum wa awfu bi'ahdi ufi bi'ahdikum wa iyaya farhabun. So God said, guide us to the straight path, the path of those you have blessed. And according to verse 40 of Surah Al-Baqarah, he says, Ya Bani Israel askuru ni'mati allati an'amtu alaykum wa awfu bi'ahdi ufi bi'ahdikum wa iyaya farhabun. So according to me, these children of Israel are the blessed people. It is written in the Quran as blessed. Then further he says in verse 47 of Surah Al-Baqarah, it is the 47th of the same. Ya Bani Israel askuru ni'mati allati an'amtu alaykum wa anni faddaltukum ala al-alamin. Faddaltukum ala al-alamin. I preferred you over the worlds. I have given you excellence over all the worlds. Is this favor given to the Jews? Are these the Jews who have this preference? Has preference been granted over all the worlds? You can't change this verse, no matter if you make them Jews or whatever you make them. But God's verse will remain as it is. There is no disagreement on it. Then going a bit further, in Surah 45, he says, we gave the children of Israel the book, governance, and prophecy to the children of Israel. Then Allah says, وَإِذْ قَالَ عِيسَى ابْنُ مَرْيَمَ يَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيل. Jesus is saying, Ya Bani Israel, inni Rasulullah ilaykum. I am a messenger to you. Musaddiqan lima bayna yadayya min at-Tawrat. I am confirming the Torah. Wa mubashshirun bi rasuli yati min ba'di ismuhu Ahmad. And I'm giving news of a messenger after me named Ahmed. So what's next? He's addressing the children of Israel. Who is Jesus addressing? The children of Israel. Then he says, فَلَمَّا جَاءَهُم بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ. But when he came to them with clarifications, when Muhammad came to them with clear signs, قَالُوا هَذَا سِرٌ مُبِينٌ. They said, this is clear magic. They said, it's just magic. Among the children of Israel. Do you accept that Muhammad, the messenger of God, also came to the children of Israel? Because Jesus addressed them. Jesus said, Ya Bani Israel, inni Rasulullah ilaykum musaddiqan lima bayna yadayya min at-Tawrat wa mubashshirun bi rasuli yati min ba'di ismuhu Ahmad. So Ahmed is coming to whom? To the children of Israel. فَلَمَّا جَاءَهُم بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ. But when he came to them with clarifications, قَالُوا هَذَا سِحْرٌ مُبِينٌ. They said, this is clear magic. They said, it's obvious magic. So that's what you're thinking, as if I'm performing some magic. You think that because Muhammad didn't come to the children of Israel, you and the historians have placed him with the children of Ishmael. The children of Israel are the blessed people in the Quran. All the prophets are from them, including Muhammad, the messenger of God. The children of Israel were favored over all the worlds. Jews are mentioned separately, Hud is separate, Yahud is separate in the Quran. Yahud and Nasara are different words in Arabic. The children of Israel have been favored over all the worlds. God says the book was given to the children of Israel, governance and prophecy were given to them too. Among the children of Israel, Jesus, the last one, said, the one coming after me. Who was he telling? The children of Israel. And when he came to the children of Israel with clarifications, they said, this is clear magic. They called it magic. So it's all about the children of Israel. The prophets are coming to them. The book, governance and prophecy are all given to them. Now you've made up children of Ishmael, which isn't even in the Quran. Everything you've said, brother, everything you've made up is not in the Quran. And I'm only reading what has been in the Quran forever, not just for 1400 years, but forever. No one can change it. La tabdila kalimatillah. You can keep writing different books, saying this is like this or that is like that. Go ahead and do it.
I mentioned only the Quran.
What have I been reading all this time? The Quran? I'm not saying anything on my own account. I'm telling you when I said, now you were translating.
We'll go back to the first verse. وَآمِنُوا بِمَا أَنزَلْتُ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا مَعَكُمْ وَلَا تَكُونُوا أَوَّلَ كَافِرٍ بِهِ. You say that we are being addressed here, you and I.
Children of Israel. A while back you said, children of Israel are present today. The ones addressed are children of Israel. In the Quran, who are the blessed people? We will identify them. If I am one, you don't believe it, but I believe I am from children of Israel. Try to see the difference. You don't believe you are from them. Okay? I looked at the Quran to find the way of those who are blessed. God says, I have favored the children of Israel over the worlds and blessed them. So I believe I'm children of Israel. I have the book, governance and prophethood. Here is the book, but the Jews have nothing. Right now, the Jews have neither the book nor the governance.
You mean the children of Israel are not a group of people? Does it refer to a certain condition?
It's a group of people, brother.
Then you're children of Israel. It's not just any group, it's a specific one.
It's not specific.
Like Banu Nadir or Banu Khuza'a.
Listen, in the Quran, there are actually no other children of mentioned anywhere except for the children of Israel and the children of Adam.
Okay.
So I'm telling you what God is telling us. The word people has occurred for the children of Israel as well. But God has only addressed the children of Adam and the children of Israel in the Quran. We have to understand who are the children of Adam and who are the children of Israel. We don't have to worry about the children of Abbas or whatever else. None of this is mentioned in the Quran. We only have to understand the children of Adam and the children of Israel. The children of Israel are those people in all times who have this book with them, those who have governance and prophethood. All the prophets are given the book in the children of Israel. I can show this in the Quran. Look at chapter 45, verse 16. He thinks I'm saying all of this from my own account. He is not translating it by himself. All of the scholars will translate it in this way. I'm not translating as I wish. I am following the standard approach. وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ كِتَابٍ. Indeed, we gave the children of Israel the book. وَالْحُكُمْ or hukum وَالنُّبُوَّةِ. We gave them governance and prophecy. وَرَزَقْنَاهُمْ مِنَ الطَّيِّبَاتِ. And we gave them sustenance from the good things. وَفَضَّلْنَاهُمْ عَلَى الْعَالَمِينَ. And we have favored them over the worlds.
Okay.
So it was given to the children of Israel. Are they Jews? Is he favoring them? Do they have the book? Do they have governance and prophethood? This translation, I'm asking you, please read the translation to him, brother.
You keep reciting, I don't need the translation. Praise be to God, I know the translation.
What's your objection then?
The objection is that all these forms are in the past tense.
So what else?
Were given.
Yes?
They were given, not they are being given.
They were given, right?
They were given in the past.
Brother,
This is a matter of the past.
when we talk about the past,
Yes.
the book, authority, and prophethood are within the children of Israel and nowhere else. Always, until the day of judgment, they were given, always given in the past.
Show me this from the Quran.
Brother, you show me where it says they weren't given, that he's giving them later. If you accept the book, to whom was the book given among the children of Israel?
Tell me which verse is it? I'll check the Quran. Go to Surah Al-Isra.
Read chapter 17.
وَقَضَيْنَا إِلَى بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ فِي الْكِتَابِ لَتُفْسِدُنَّ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَرَّتَيْنِ وَلْتَعْلُنَّ عُلُوًّا.
No, 1 second. The book is mentioned above that. Moses was given the book. Read verse 2 of chapter 17.
Yes, all right.
No. The book is mentioned in verse 2 of chapter 17. Why aren't you reading that? He is giving the book to Moses, peace be upon him, in this very chapter, in verse 2 of chapter 17.
Yes.
He gave the book to Moses, right? Start from there.
All right. And we made it a guidance for the children of Israel.
Just stop right here. Now, we are discussing the book itself, talking about the book. To whom is he giving the book? You open chapter 17, Surah Al-Isra, and you're moving past it. I said Moses was given the book.
All right, I've heard your point and I've read it.
Stop there then. Now you read what is written there.
He gave the book and made it a guidance for the children of Israel.
So, that book which has no doubt is a guidance for the righteous. Here he gives the book to Moses as guidance for the children of Israel. So which is the book of guidance?
It's the Quran.
You said Quran, right? That book, the Quran, Abraham, peace be upon him, mentioned, is the same one I mean. In every era, this is the book. What other book is there?
Please be sure to like our video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Click the bell icon so that you can receive timely notifications for our upcoming videos.